In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful for anyone looking to store documents, photos, or other files securely in the cloud. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail to ensure you have a smooth and successful file upload experience. First, make sure you are signed in to your Google account and head over to Google Drive. You can easily access Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting Enter. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. This step is crucial because it ensures that all your files are stored under your account and remain accessible whenever you need them. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll notice a range of options and folders displaying your previously stored files. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen, where you'll find a button labeled New. Clicking on this button is the beginning of our file upload process. Selecting New will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. The New button is effectively your gateway to organizing new content and starting new projects in Google Drive. After opening the drop-down menu, you'll see various file and folder creation options. Here, you'll want to click on File Upload. This is found right below the option for creating folders and documents, and clicking it will prompt a File Explorer window to open. The File Upload feature is one of the simplest ways to get files from your computer to the cloud, ensuring they're accessible from any device with internet access and saved space on your local storage. With the File Explorer open, navigate through your computer's directories to locate the file you wish to upload. Whether it's a business report, a collection of holiday photos, or an important PDF, simply click on the desired file. Once you've selected your file, click Open in the bottom right corner of the Explorer. This action will initiate the upload process. Depending on the file size and your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. You can monitor the upload progress in the lower right corner of your Google Drive screen. A small box will appear showing the upload percentage, giving you a clear view of how soon it'll be complete. As the upload completes, you'll receive a notification confirming that your file is successfully uploaded. From here, you can click the file name to open it, organize it in folders, or share it with colleagues, friends, or family. Google Drive's intuitive sharing features make collaboration a breeze, turning your storage space into a productive hub. That's it. You've learned how to upload files to Google Drive, a skill that will undoubtedly enhance your digital efficiency. With your files securely backed up in the cloud, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing they're safe and readily accessible. Thanks for watching, and explore Google's other productivity tools to take your online experience to the next level.